Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first we should find the scanner application. Always it's here in the tools folder. So now let's launch the scanner application. We should click here agree, and I'll select only this time here. Now we should place the QR code here inside of this frame. That's why let's do it by this way. Wait a second, and now we can see the result here. So we can directly go here to website, tap here, accept, continue, no thanks in my case, and now we can see that this is the Wikipedia article, so we can prove it here, and that's it. That's how it looks. But also if you don't wanna just use this application here on the home screen, you can also just only open the notification panel, and here somewhere you should find the scanner QR codes application. By the same way, just launch it, scan QR code, and this is the result here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.